Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster MG. Today we got this MG HS exclusive in stock for you. It's a DCT gearbox as well. It's really nice. In this video I'll be walking around the car. Since it's a brand new car, just letting you know this car is in stock now. So yeah, front automatic headlights, which is xenon projector as well, which is really nice. Front fog lights, silver trim on the car. Got this 18-inch alloy wheels, which is really nice. Silver trim all around the car. It does come with a sunroof and a panel roof for the rear. It's really nice. So yeah, leather interior, got electric seats which are heated as well for the driver and passenger. Ambient lighting as well. Rear leather seats. You do have cup holders down in here, which is nice. And your third climate control there with a couple of USBs as well. ISOFIX settings on both the sides. All four automatic windows. You do have electric tailboot on this car. LED tail lamps as well, rear parking sensors and a reverse camera. Loads of space. You do have some storage units down here, also more storage space under here for your spare wheel along with the tire repair kit. A retractable partial shelf as well. There we go, everything works as it should. Rear camera there. Coming around the car, which is really beautiful red color, especially in the sun. I'll jump in and I'll show you inside. You do have your keyless entry. They're missing because it's just come in, still on delivery mode. Your window switch is there along with your folding mirrors and your adjustability. Locking system, headlight adjustability, start stop button, electric seats for the driver as well. I'll jump in, show you inside. So yeah, you do have a digital dash for the driver, 12 miles there as you know. Just come in, multifunction steering wheel. On the left you got your hands-free function, on your right you can customize the screen. Pedal shifters on both the sides. This car has got sports mode on it. Auto headlights, auto wipers. You do have adaptive cruise control with lane keep assist. Also you do have blind spot detection down there. 10-inch TFT screen. You do have normal buttons up here. USB down there, navigation as standard, which is really nice. Your DCT gearbox, reverse, there we go, just reverse it a bit. Nice and clear camera, along with shows you the distance behind as well. Show you the sat nav there. Screen's a bit laggy as it's still on delivery mode there. So yeah, you can open the boot from here alternately. Modes there, hill descent mode, parking brake, and your auto hold. So yeah, the car's here with us. Please feel free to send an inquiry or come down and have a visit. We are down on Northgate in Lancaster. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.